Good morning guys, Assalamualaikum. Actually I am here in LX with a very exclusive motorcycle today. So this is Mondial Pega 452. That is an Italian brand with a single side swing arm, and so many good things are here on this motorcycle guys. Grab a solid. So this motorcycle is 2-cylinder with almost 42 horsepower and 43 plus Newton meter of torque, and with a 6 gear, and grabe, slipper clutch, mga iba-iba, marami na mga bagong options dito sa motorcycle with a Brembo, single side swing arm. So many things are here. I will be showing one by one later on this video. Also I am going to do some was on the racetrack today. So this is not yet released actually. This is just a game, and this is the first unit here in the Philippines. So I am going to test and review this motorcycle for you guys, so you have an idea what bike you can compare with this motorcycle. As you can see, the dash is solid na dash, parang Tesla. Marami na mga details dito, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo lahat. Tapos sobrang light, 168 kilo, sobrang easy to maneuver. Maganda yung wheelbase, short wheelbase, and you can just lean, and all the steps are here. So let's go and do some test ride on the track, and let's see how it goes. Yan na boys, dito tayo, track day, Alpine Star. So pasok tayo, check natin ano-ano meron, tapos testing natin itong Mondial dito sa track. So yan na boys, track na tayo with this maliit. Sobrang masarap sa track. Sama natin si Marvin. Hyundai Piega 452. As you can see, Solidium motor ito. So this is 449.5 cc, 2-cylinder, almost 42 horsepower and 43 plus Newton meter of torque. As you can see, the view of the bike is totally different from any 400cc naked bike. So this is all what you seeing here is all stock. So it comes with the aerodynamic, the mug cover and Q outlet for the exhaust, and one of the main thing is here, this is a single-sided swing arm. So there is no quick shifter or auto blip, but this is actually made for really the naked version for with it has a aerodynamic winglets. So also everything is on LED. So as you can see, sobrang solid yung ito motor, guys. So this produce, like I mentioned, 42 horsepower, like a 43 plus Newton meter of torque, and very powerful. The engine is Piaggio engine, and this made in Italy, and this everything is on here very different from any 400cc motorcycle. So much electronics they put here. Everything is on LED, and the wheelbase is shorter wheelbase, so whenever you're doing the corner and everything is very easy to maneuver, and very light. This is only 168 kilo, and the tank is 10 liters tank here, and I didn't check the the fuel, how many kilometers you can get it in 1 liter, but probably in future I am going to check. This is a hyper naked. So here so many things are here, all branded. As you can see, the front tire, this is Pirelli Angel GT, and they put here is Brembo caliper. Also, like I mentioned, single-sided swing arm, and the rear totally different from any naked bike. As you can see, only here, and the half of the tire is outside, so it's shorter wheelbase. Sobrang solid talaga ito. Also, when you look at the dashboard is iba rin. Kita nyo ito? Yan. Solid talaga yung dashboard ito. Tapos marami na mga modes dito sa motor. So it has race mode. So when you go into the menu, and there is a riding mode. When you click the riding mode, as you can see, this is a Piega mode, that is ABS and traction is on. So when you put it on the racing mode, it will change to ABS, and the traction control is off, and you will see what things are happen here on the screen. So it's like a electric motorcycle, but so many things are here, and you can change your settings. So many things are happening here on this dashboard. So while I am riding, I will give you more update about that. So besides that, everything is premium. As you can see, all is with the LED lights are there on the handlebars, and it's very small and very easy to ride. I was riding from Manila to here, and the brake light they put here on the here. So you can see the brake light is here. So the indicator, when you put the indicator, is with the brake light and the park light. Yeah, everything is on LED. Also the front comes with the DRL and the indicator, and this is bigger radiator here, and it's not overheating. Sobrang solid yung motor ito, guys. Sobrang maganda. So mamaya testing natin ito sa racetrack. Let's see how far it can go. As you see in the video, as I tried, it's reached in 12,000 rpm. It's reached almost 177 kilometers per hour speed. So it was only when I was trying, it was only until here 12,000 rpm, but it can reach 14,000 rpm. So everything what you're seeing here, when it's a side stand, it shows like this. ABS on, and the traction control is on, and the dashboard is very beautiful. And the modes are here, like I mentioned, 2 modes there, and you can change your settings. There is a settings, it's a maintenance, it will shows here. There are so many things display, and you can connect even your phone here. So many things happening here. So let me go around the racetrack and I will show you more about. Yan na boys, testing natin ng itong Pega sa racetrack. Actually you saw kanina I was doing some. Then let's try how it goes, and let's go with the big boys. Sobrang magaan ito ng motor guys. Sobrang solid talaga ng motor. Sobrang magaan. Very easy to maneuver. Very easy to ride. Riding with the mga biggies. Those are all heavyweights. Tayo lang 450cc. Here guys, actually did a track test of this bike. Totally different from any 400cc I used. It's like you feel like, you know, the MB Agusta Brutale. So it's very easy to lean, same like the Brutale. The Brutale is very good bike that you can go very fast on the corner. Same that you feel here on this bike. Very easy, very powerful for this 450cc. It's really very powerful. I was following some of the not so professional, but professional riders on the racetrack, as you've seen in my video, those are the guys are professional. I can catch up with them with this 450cc. They were using 900 and 1000cc. So one of the nice bike, and it's very easy to use on the traffic, very easy to maneuver, very nimble, powerful, brake is good. So what I have noticed here, only the one thing is, if you want to get the proper the Brembo braking power, then you really have to replace this master cylinder also to Brembo. So you will have the total Brembo braking power is here. Besides that, totally okay. So there is no windshield. So if you are not familiar with the naked bike, maybe for some time you feel like a little bit of wind drag, but when you're used to it, it's okay. As you can see, I am going by 100, but I don't feel anything because I used to it. Also depend on your helmet, what you use. So mostly I use, the helmets are aerodynamic. So whenever using the aerodynamic, you feel less drag. So sobrang solid yung bike, and I think it's available on the market soon. So the price will be 393,000. So that is the one Access Plus told me earlier when I was asked them, if ever you wanted to test ride or you wanted to see the bike, you can just visit Access Plus. They have one more unit is there, that is a black color, so you can test ride, and if you want to order, you can just reserve your motorcycle and they will give you the delivery time and everything. So if ever I am riding on the road, I will give you more update about this motorcycle, and I will see you on my next vlog. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Peace.